Ousted Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina has been sentenced to a total of 21-year imprisonment, 7 years in each of the corruption cases involving illegal allocation of Rajuk plots in Purvachal. In the same case, her son Shajib Wajid Joy and daughter Samia Wajid Putul, along with 22 others, have been handed to separate prison terms. Earlier in January this year, Anti-Corruption Commission ACC filed 3 cases against Sheikh Hasina, Joy and Putul over allegations of corruption in allocation of Purvachal Rajuk plot. After completing the investigation, the ACC submitted a charge sheet against 23 individuals on 10 March. On 31st July, court ordered the start of trial during 91 witnesses has testified. After conducting arguments, Dhaka 50 Special Judge Mohammad Abdul Al Mamun set 29 November as the first date delivering today's verdict.
নতুন এবং ফিরে আসা গ্রাহকদের জন্য নগদে চলছে ক্যাশব্যাক সহ প্রতিদিন হাজারো উপহার জেতার সুযোগ। হবে আশা আর ফেরা সারপ্রাইজ সেরা।